What are we doing?
We're going to cook chicken and pesto pasta with tomatoes, and it's from Joe Wicks Protein. In 5, because we're healthy now. So can you pour the wine? I'm going to need...
we're healthy now, can you pour the wine? That's my kind of
I've
health.
got everything out already, so we have got the ingredients: 4 chicken breasts, garlic powder, whereas I'm using lazy garlic, to put my glasses on for this, ground paprika we've got, oregano we've got.
Pinot Grigio?
Why is that Pinot Grigio?
You've got the wrong one.
Houston, we have a problem.
Try it, drink it.
Oh my god.
Oh, excuse me. Cheers.
Oh no. Is there any other wine in the wine fridge? That's horrid. I just saw Ned and I thought it was a Ned.
Wrong one.
Okay, while he's getting the wine, where are we up to? Dried oregano, olive oil, pine nuts. Yes, they're in there. Basil green pesto is here. Sun-dried tomatoes there, I need to finally chop them. Salt and ground pepper and some basil leaves. Okay, so we've got to start by preheating the oven to 220 degrees or 200 for gas mark 7. So slight problem with the wine. Okay, chicken breasts on a lined baking tray.
Try that.
That's better. It's not as nice as my usual. That's better.
It's fine.
So if you want to put the chicken breasts on this baking tray.
Okay.
You need to clean that now. Lots of pepper. Right, so I'm going to use lazy garlic, so I'm not going to use all of this because this is too much, isn't it? That's a lot of garlic, isn't it? Excuse me.
I'm here to learn.
Why don't you do the reading, because then I don't have to keep putting my glasses on.
What am I reading?
We're on the garlic bit, the sprinkle with garlic powder, but I'm using lazy garlic instead.
Sprinkle over the garlic powder, paprika, oregano, drizzle with a little olive oil.
Okay, that's the garlic powder done. Paprika.
Yeah.
Oh, that comes out quick. And oregano.
Yeah. Drizzle with a little olive oil. Brush the seasoning over evenly.
I don't think I can do that because it'll make a mess. We'll see.
As is.
I've got a brush, I'll just get one out, look there.
Yeah. Taking it off.
It's fine. So that's that bit done. They go in the oven for
20 to 21 minutes.
Alexa, set a timer for 21 minutes.
200 degrees, fun oven. Good.
Okay, what's next?
So toast the pine nuts in a dry frying pan.
Pine nuts catch quite easily, don't they?
Cooking's so much easier with wine, isn't it?
What does it say to do next?
Don't judge me. There's really no way to cook it.
I like using that.
Yeah.
No, I think they need to be finer than that though. If you look at the picture, yeah.
Add the pesto and some dried tomatoes. Where's the pesto?
Pesto's there, but you're going to be adding it to the pasta, so we need to put the pasta in first.
So I'll put the tomato. I'll leave the tomatoes on.
Right, that's for the pasta. This is quick. How long does it say it's supposed to take?
Depends how much
10
wine you drink.
minutes. Cook for 25 minutes, but 10 minutes. Right, that's... Have you put salt in?
Yeah. You never seem to like things done.
What?
I've mixed it in there.
Right.
I'm quite enjoying supervising.
Your dog wants you. I wish you could get smells of this. No, I've got a spoon.
Or metal spoon.
No.
Stick, isn't it? Okay. There's no cheese with this.
No, there's no cheese with this.
Tragic.
What are you cooking me for dinner tomorrow?
What am I cooking you?
Yeah.
Cheese on toast.
Just a little bit, please. Is it too windy for the hot tub tonight? That's enough, that's enough, that's enough.
That's nice. Don't need to go to a spa.
Don't touch this. Alexa, stop. That is what it's supposed to look like. We remind ourselves.
Maybe hide that picture now. So a question for everyone. When you're doing a recipe from a cookbook, how many times does the end result actually look like what it says in the book? Not very often. Well, it tastes good, who cares?
How hungry are you?
As much of that.
We did way too much pasta.
Apparently, according to one of your early videos, I eat loads. It's just rude.
You do eat loads.
Why? Does that need chopping?
No.
Okay. Who enjoys eating leaves?
They give it flavour though, the basil leaves.
Right. Oh, it's a bit chopped up though, mixed up.
Yeah, look. They're just supposed to be put on the top. I think they're quite big basil leaves compared to what they've got in the picture there. You get some?
And there we go.
No.
Oh. Oh, okay. More olive oil.
Voila.
Voila! Bon appetit!
I think the chicken's got to be
Covered in cheese.
No, it's got to be like that.
Oh,
It makes all the difference.
makes all the difference. Needs more wine.
Idiot.